Have you ever heard about the Gulf of Khambhat? Also known as the Gulf of Cambay, this intriguing body of water is an inlet of the Arabian Sea, nestled along the west coast of India, within the vibrant state of Gujarat. The Gulf of Khambhat plays a significant role in the geography of the region, acting as a natural divider between the Kathiawar Peninsula and the southeastern part of Gujarat. This fascinating gulf, rich in both natural beauty and maritime importance, is a testament to the diverse landscape of India. From its alluring shores, it unfolds into the vast Arabian Sea, while its inland edges carve a distinctive boundary, separating two unique geographical areas. So next time you glance at a map of India, look for the Gulf of Khambhat. It's more than just a body of water, it's a geographical marvel. Now that you know where the Gulf of Khambhat is, let's dive into its geographical features. The Gulf of Khambhat boasts a unique and diverse landscape. Now imagine the Gulf's periphery, a world teeming with estuarine habitats. It's a place where the boundaries are blurred, where freshwater meets saltwater, creating an environment that's both diverse and dynamic. Now let's talk about the rivers that feed this vibrant ecosystem. The Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, and Sabarmati rivers, each with their own unique story, drain into the Gulf. Over time, these rivers have deposited alluvium over large areas. This alluvium, a fine-grained, fertile soil deposited by water flowing over floodplains or in riverbeds, has united the Saurashtra region with the mainland of Gujarat. The Gulf of Khambhat is not a deep, mysterious abyss. Instead, it is relatively shallow, filled with abundant shoals and sandbanks. These create a playground for various species, providing them with feeding grounds, breeding sites, and places to seek shelter. The deltas of the Mahi and Sabarmati rivers are particularly interesting. Here you'll find extensive areas of intertidal mud and sand flats. This is a world that's constantly changing, shaped and reshaped by the ebb and flow of the tides. In the Gulf's western part, around small inlets, you'll find an underwater treasure, coral reefs. These vibrant ecosystems support a wealth of marine life, from tiny, colorful fish to large, majestic sea turtles. But what really sets the Gulf of Khambhat apart is its high tidal range and the high velocity of its tides. This is due to the Gulf's unique shape and its orientation in relation to the southwest monsoon winds. The Gulf's tides can reach up to 12 meters, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. As you can see, the Gulf of Khambhat is a geographical wonder, but it also holds historical significance. From the ancient port of Baruk to the bustling city of Surat, which played a key role in early European commercial contacts with India, and the town of Khambhat at the head of the Gulf, this region is steeped in history. The Gulf of Khambhat has always played a significant role in history. This inlet of the Arabian Sea has cradled civilizations and fostered commerce for centuries. The eastern side of the Gulf, in particular, boasts a rich historical tapestry. The city of Bharuch, one of India's oldest ports, nestles here. Known in antiquity as Brigu Kachcha, Bharuch traces its roots back to the era of the Mahabharata, one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. Its strategic location on the mouth of the Narmada River made it a bustling port city and a gateway to the Deccan region. Over the centuries, Bharuch has seen the ebb and flow of empires, from the Mauryans and the Guptas to the Mughals and the British. Its legacy is a rich blend of cultures and traditions that continue to thrive today. Further south, we find Surat, another jewel in the Gulf of Khambhat's historical crown. Known as the City of Flyovers, Surat was the first port of call for European traders setting foot in India. The Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, and the British all made their mark on Surat, transforming it into a thriving hub of international trade. From textiles and diamonds to spices and silk, Surat offered a cornucopia of riches that attracted merchants from far and wide. Its cosmopolitan character is a testament to its vibrant past, a melting pot of cultures drawn by the promise of prosperity. And then, at the head of the Gulf, lies the town of Khambhat, from which the Gulf derives its name. Historically, Khambhat was a significant trading post for the maritime routes of the Indian Ocean. Renowned for its shipbuilding industry and trade in precious stones, Khambhat was a beacon of commerce and craftsmanship. Its fame reached as far as the courts of Rome and China, underscoring the Gulf's pivotal role in global trade networks. From a geographical and historical perspective, the Gulf of Khambhat has much to offer. Its shores whisper tales of ancient mariners, mighty empires, and bustling bazaars, a testament to the enduring allure of this unique geographical feature. So, what have we learned about the Gulf of Khambhat? In this journey, we've discovered that the Gulf of Khambhat, also known as the Gulf of Cambay, is a fascinating geographical feature nestled along the west coast of India, in the vibrant state of Gujarat. It acts as a dividing line between the Kathiawar Peninsula and the southeastern part of Gujarat, making a significant impact on the region's geographical layout. Brimming with estuarine habitats, the periphery of the Gulf paints a picture of rich biodiversity. It's not just the water body itself that's intriguing, but also the rivers that drain into it. The Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, and Sabarmati rivers all converge into this gulf, depositing alluvium over vast areas, connecting Saurashtra with the mainland of Gujarat. The Gulf's shallow depth, teeming with abundant shoals and sandbanks, adds another layer to its geographical charm. We've learned that it's not just the physical characteristics that make the Gulf of Khambhat captivating. The extensive intertidal mud and sand flats in the deltas of the Mahi and Sabarmati rivers, along with the coral reefs around small inlets in the western part of the Gulf, contribute to its rich ecological framework. Furthermore, the Gulf's shape and orientation in relation to the southwest monsoon winds give it a high tidal range, and the high velocity of entering tides, which is a unique geographical phenomenon in itself. On the eastern side of the Gulf, we find Paruk and Surat, two cities steeped in history. Paruk, one of India's oldest ports, and Surat, known for its early European commercial contacts, remind us that the Gulf of Khambhat has been a significant player in shaping India's history and trade relations. In conclusion, the town of Khambhat, situated at the head of the Gulf, serves as a symbol of the Gulf's rich geographical and historical significance. The Gulf of Khambhat is a testament to the rich geographical and historical tapestry of India, and it continues to be an area of interest for scholars and explorers alike.